Alrighty guys, in today's video we're going to reveal the newest addition to the MMO clan of machines. We finally got something halfway nice. Not too nice though, it can never be too nice for us.
We gotta dump some money into it first, obviously.
Yeah, but we're going to reveal it to you in 3, 2, 1. Right here guys, I'm going to have Sully, he's the man who actually purchased this. I just kind of found it and did some haggling. But yeah.
Alrighty. So it's a 2014 KX85, we did run the VIN.
Yes.
And it came out to 14. So 14, that's when the motor got upgraded by what, 30% power?
Yeah, they did some different things inside.
Maybe different porting. I don't know the whole skinny on it, but yeah. So it needs some work. It's basically bone stock. It's gonna need a new intake boot off the reed cage.
Yeah, you can see it's getting dry cracked.
It's gonna need a new front brake lever, new plastic.
And bars.
Bars are a little tweaked.
What happened was somebody must have dumped it on the right side. You can tell the bars are a little tweaked, so.
But looks like an Ingram rear shock.
Yep.
Don't know if that's standard or if that's aftermarket, but just did a fresh oil change. Looks like it's got a new chain and rear sprocket. I don't know what front sprocket.
Stock pipe.
Yep, stock exhaust.
Sticky grips, factory.
Sticky grips, most definitely. But yeah, everything works on it. Starts, you know, second, third kick.
Yeah, tires are mint.
He rips good.
Yeah, we've ridden it. Obviously, if you've seen the videos of the YZ85 we had like probably a year ago,
right.
Our buddies. This is comparable, but with the power valves, I feel like this thing has way more snot. We're basically going to get a little bit of a start up here, warm it up. You'll hear a little bit of the stock exhaust sound, and then I'm going to have Sully get the GoPro strapped up, and then maybe we'll get some first-person riding, just so you guys can see how it rides, how it sounds. Even stock, it actually has a lot of power. It'll handle better when we get the bars fixed. And we're going to obviously do some upgrades. We want to do V-force reeds and an FMF pipe, just to really give her some more, you know, awakening. It'll wake itself up a little bit. So if you want to go ahead and you can get it started for us.
Yeah, we unfortunately don't have a triangle stand or a normal stand, motocross stand.
Yep.
So we had to default to
the milk crate
and a block of wood.
I mean, we're running like 40-to-1 oil mix in it. So. One kick. So it's pretty quiet. We're going to replace the rear. We might do all the plastics because they're kind of scuzzy.
About 80 degrees out today, isn't it?
Yeah.
That sounds bad.
Yeah. These little 85s are very, very inexpensive to rebuild.
Here's the oil change.
Yep.